Hey guys, Jason here. Today we're going to show you how to replace the agitator dogs on a Kenmore washer if the top of your agitator isn't agitating. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more repair guides to help you do it yourself. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a 7/16" socket, an extension, a flatblade screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always make sure to unplug your appliance before working on them.
And while you're at it, turn off the water supply as well.
To access the agitator dogs, we're just going to simply lift the lid and we'll see everything we're going to check right there. On the top of the agitator, you'll either have a cap or a fabric softener cap.
There are 2 clips you'll need to press in to remove them.
Then just set it off to the side. If you look down into the agitator, you'll see a dust cap with a rubber seal. Now ours doesn't have one, but yours should. You might be able to reach in and pull this out by hand, but most of the time you're going to need to use pliers to take it out. Now you'll see a 7/16" bolt. We're going to use the socket and extension to reach this bolt. The threads are standard, so go counterclockwise to loosen the bolt. And you'll probably have to hold the lower portion of the agitator so it doesn't turn. After you've done that, you can pull the top agitator out and turn it over, which will let the cam with the agitator dogs fall out. Then flip the whole cam assembly over and set it on a flat surface. You'll need to slide the cam bearing up off the cam and replace the agitator dogs one at a time. The old ones will simply slide out of the groove so you can slide a new one in the same direction.
Then slide the cam bearing back over the assembly.
After all of the agitator dogs have been replaced, slide the cam assembly back into the upper agitator and replace the top agitator back on the lower portion. Then tighten the 7/16" bolt. After that, replace the dust cap and the top for your agitator and you're done.
Don't forget to plug your washer back in and turn your water back on.
If you still need new agitator dogs, head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to get a new. Most orders arrive in 2 business days, and we have tons of videos to help you install your new parts. In the meantime, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you'll see all our newest videos. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.